My Accra experience. They say every journey begins with a single step, but in this case, it began with a thrilling liftoff from Entebbe International Airport. The moment that plane took off, I felt the weight of the world lift off my shoulders. Kampala behind me, and Accra, the beating heart of West Africa, ahead. My eyes were glued to the clouds, but my mind, it was already racing with excitement. And then there it was, daybreak in Accra. Picture this, soft sunlight creeping through my hotel window, whispering, welcome to a new day, a new adventure. The city stretched before me, a tapestry of life, color, and endless possibilities. It was like the universe itself rolling out a red carpet. But you know what they say? An empty stomach is no good for big dreams. So before diving headfirst into Accra's palace, I filled up with a breakfast that was nothing short of a feast for the senses. Fresh bread, bursting with flavor, and a soothing cup of milk. They made me rethink my entire approach to breakfast back home. And then it was time to roll up my sleeves. I headed straight for one of the most critical institutions in Ghana, its central bank. Let me tell you, walking through these doors was like stepping into the very nerve center of the country's financial heartbeat. The meetings were intense, productive, and eye-opening. We talked about everything from financial strategies to the digital future of banking and lending against movable assets. Being in these rooms, hearing the insights from one of the sharpest minds in the industry was nothing short of inspiring. It felt like I was standing at crossroads of innovation and tradition. But after 3 days of back-to-back meetings, it was time for a change of pace. Enter Kwame Nkrumah's museum, where history meets the present. Walking through those doors, I was stepping into history itself. They say history is written by the victors, but here, I felt like it was alive, whispering through the halls, echoing through every corner. Did you know that Kwame Nkrumah wasn't just a president, but a beacon of hope for all of Africa? His vision, his determination, it's the stuff legends are made of. It was like standing in the shadow of a giant.
Or the West, like is looking forward. So the East or the West just stands for Russia, America. So people wanted to know his affiliations, but he made that statement in 1957. That is what inspired the start.
After a day soaked in history, it was a time for a different kind of indulgence. That is the amazing meals served at Labadi Beach in Accra. The spices hit me like a tidal wave of flavor. Imagine jollof rice so good it could start a revolution. And the fried fish. Let's just say, if despots could sing, mine were performing a full-blown opera. But hold on, it gets better. Imagine this, as the sun was shining brightly, I found myself on top of a horse, galloping along the shoreline. The waves crashed against the sand like a symphony. The wind playing through my hair like nature's own orchestra. I could hardly believe it. The freedom, the adrenaline, it was one of those rare moments where you feel utterly alive, heart racing, breath taken away by sheer awe.
Such a beautiful view of the ocean, very breathtaking, very doesn't run to move. He's tired. Ah. Just tell me to pause. Let me just pause a bit. I want to get some. I want to just capture some video here. Yeah, so that was a very, very beautiful experience at the ocean here in Accra, Ghana. Very lovely experience, very memorable experience. Yeah, hope I can be back here very soon. Wow.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's about 3 a.m. Ghanaian time, Ghanaian time, and we just checked in. Our flight is at 5:20, so it's going to be a little waiting till that time comes by. The airport is quite empty, as you can see. decent journey without any big issues. See you. The early morning flight back to Kampala came soon. But as I watched the sunrise from my plane window, I knew one thing for sure. Accra had left its mark, and I will be back. The city, the people, the food, every moment was like a chapter from a story I never wanted to end.
Back to Uganda. Back to Uganda. Oh my God. I was very, very sad procedure. Very, very sad procedure. That's what them can you have to know. That's what you can do. Eh? That's for me.
So tell me, what caught your eye? Was it the history, the meetings, the food, that unforgettable horse ride? Drop me a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to STRUMVlogs, where every adventure is a story waiting to be told. Catch you in the next video where creativity meets innovation. Thank you for watching.